Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all to this session. Today's class, we are going to continue exercise 13.3. You can take page number 263 in your NCERT textbook. Okay, in this class, we are going to learn how to write the standard forms, okay, which we have already discussed in our previous session. In this, we are going to deal with our exercise problem. Okay, you can take page number 263, children. Now you have taken page number 263. From second problem, we have to continue. Find the number from each of the following expanded form. In last class, they have given us the number. We have to write the expanded form like this. Yes, but in this class, the first question is, they have given you the expanded form. We should write the we should write our number. Okay, first we should check whether the powers are in decreasing order. 10 power 4, 10 power 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. So if anything is missing, we can say that number is 0. Okay, but here no numbers are missing. So what you will do? You will write as usual. 8 first. Next 6. Next 0. Next 4. Next 5. Why I am writing this number like this means because there is no missing powers. 10 power 4 is there, 10 power 3, 10 power 2, 10 power 1, 10 power 0. So if it is like that, you can straight away write the numbers like this: 8, 6, 0, 4, 5. So this is what your number for this expanded form. Next, for this question, check the powers. 4, so 5, 4 is missing. Yes, 4 is missing. 3, 2, 1 is missing. 0 is there. Okay, so listen, 5 is there, 4 is missing, 3, 2, 1 is missing, 0 is there. So what you should do, whatever the missing powers, you should put 0. Okay, whatever the numbers are missing, you should put zeros. So 4, 0, 5, 3, 0, 2. 4 you can write. After that, power 4 is missing, so 0. Then third power value is 5. Then 2 power value is 3. Then 1 power is missing, so 0. Then 0 power is there, which is 2. So 4, 0, 5, 3, 0, 2 is your answer. Next, 3 into 10 power 4. 7 into 10 square, 5 into 10 power 0. So in this, what are the numbers are there? 4 is there. Whether 3 is there? No, 3 is missing. Then 2, 1 is missing, 0. So 3 is missing, 1 is missing. 4 is there, 3 missing, 2 is there, 1 missing, 0. So check whether it is in decreasing order. So what you will write? 3. After that, third power is missing, so 0. Second power value is 7. Then first power value is 0. 0 power is 5. So 3, 0, 7, 0, 5. So listen, 3, 0, 7, 0, 5. Okay. Now next problem. 9 into 10 power 5 plus 2 into 10 power 2 plus 3 into 10 power 1. Check. 5 power, 4 power is missing, 3 power is missing, 2 power is there, 1 power is there. Okay, then 0 power is missing. See, everything should start from one higher value and end with 0 power. But here 0 power is also missing, so that should be included. Don't stop till this. 0 power is missing here. Okay, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so 0 power missing, don't forget, children. 9, 0, 0, 2, 3, 0. 9, 0, 0, 2, 3, 0. So 9, 0, 0, 2, 3, 0 is your answer. Okay, see, this is missing, so I am writing the 0 here. Don't forget this. So this is what your expanded form is given. We are going to write the number for that particular question. Understood? Next is your third problem. Express the following numbers in standard form. I think so the standard form is quite easy for you all. So listen, first question. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros are there. This is your first question. So first what you will do? 5.0000000 into 7 zeros you will put, right? 5 point you will write all the remaining values into you will write 1 7 zeros. Now how you will write 5 point? These zeros are written on the right side of this decimal point. So what you will do? You will neglect it. So 5 into 10 power 7, because after 5 how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 5 into 10 power 7 is your standard form. Yes. Next 7 0 0 0 0 0 0. So what you will write? 7.0000000 into 10000. 6 zeros will write, right? 7.1 2 3 4 5 6 into 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 zeros you will write it. So after 7 this decimal points has no meaning. So 7 into 10 power 6. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 7 into 10 power 6. Next value 3.1865000. 5 zeros are there into, after decimal point how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, after decimal point how many digits are there? Now how you will write? 3.1865. All these zeros you will neglect it into 10 power 9, because after decimal point how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so 3.1865 into 10 power 9 is your standard form. Next, fifth problem. How you will write? 3.90878 into, how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 3.90878. 3.90878 into 1000000. So how we will write? 3.90878 into 10 power 5. Yes, because how many digits are there after decimal point? 1 2 3 4 5. Yes. Next, 3.90878 into this decimal point is going here. How many digits is shifting? 1 2 3 4. Appo 3.90878 into 10000. 4 zeros you will write. You should not write 5 zeros. Okay, because this decimal point is going here. So how many digits are between? 4 zeros. So how you will write? 3.90878 into 10 power 4. Okay, 3.90878 into 10 power 4. Okay, next, for this question, 3.90878 into 1000. Why it is 1000? Because this 0 is going here. So 3.90878 into 1000. So what the answer will be? 3.90878 into 10 cube, because 1000 is nothing but 10 cube. So 3.90878 into 10 power 3. Understood how to write the standard form using this given number. The numbers appearing in the following statements in standard form. This is what your fourth question. In last problem, they have given you a number. We are going to write that number in standard form. Here, they have given you a statement, and for this statement, we are supposed to write the standard form. Okay. So, listen. What is the first question? The distance between Earth and Moon is 384,000,000 meter. Okay, they have given that enlarged large number. So what you should supposed to write? We are going to write this number in that standard form. So first you can write the standard form. Okay, here I'll write in pencil 3.84 0 0 0 0 0 0 into how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 digits are there, right? So how you will write? 3.84 into 10 power 8. So this is what your distance. So this is what your standard form for this particular number. But we should write that write this value with this statement, right? Only then it is correct. So what you write? Distance between Earth and Moon is 3.84 into 10 power 8 meter. So don't forget to put this meter, because if you forget then it is entirely wrong, right? So meter is your answer. Okay, now I have written the answer in the statement. Next, what is your second problem? Speed of light in vacuum is 300 000 000 meter per seconds. What they have given? Speed of light in vacuum is 300 000 000 meter per seconds. So first I am going to write this in standard form. 3.1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Into 8 zeros you should write it, children, as usual. Okay, 8 zeros you should write it. Now how you will write? 3 into 10 power 8. Why? Because these zeros all you have to neglect it. So 3 into 10 power 8. So when I am writing this problem in wordings, how you will write it? Speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per seconds. Yes, speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per seconds. Why 10 power 8? Because after decimal digits, 8 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But 3 into 10 power 8 meter per seconds. Okay. This is your C problem. What is the question given? Diameter of the earth is 12756 000 meter. Diameter means what? That earth's full thing. Okay, that is your diameter. So first we can convert this in standard form, right? 1.2756000 into how many digits are there after decimal point? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so how you will write it? 1.2756 into 10 power 7. Why it is 10 power 7, children? Because after decimal point, how many digits are there? 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 digits are there. So what is the standard form for this question? 1.2756 into 10 power 7. Yes. Now what you will do? Diameter of the earth is 1.2756 into 10 power 7 meter. Don't forget to put this 1.2756 into 10 power 7 meter. Okay, next is your D problem. Diameter of the sun. They have given the diameter of the sun is 1400 000 meter. 1400 000 meter. Okay, they have, it is a very large number. First we have to convert that into a standard form. So how you write? 1.4 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 into how many digits are there after decimal point? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so I have written that. Now 1.4 into 10 power 9. Why it is 10 power 9? Because after this decimal point we have 9 digits. So 1.4 into 10 power 9. So I am writing the answer. Diameter of the sun is 1.4 into 10 power 9 meter. 1.4 into 10 power 9 meter. Okay. Next is your E problem. In a galaxy, there are on average 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 stars. In average they are saying this many stars are there in a galaxy. Okay. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, 11 zeros are there. Okay, so now first what we should do, we have to convert that in a standard form, right? 1 into how many zeros? You can write, sorry, first you can write like this: 1.00000 0 0 0 0 0 0. So how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 into 11 zeros are there. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so 1 point, every digits you should write it into how many digits are there after that decimal point. So how you will write it? 1.000 is nothing but 1 into 10 power 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 into 10 power 11, because see after 1 everything you can neglect it. So 1 into 10 power 11. So you can write the answer. Okay, in a galaxy there are on average 1 into 10 power 11 stars. For an average they are saying, children, in a galaxy there are on average 1 into 10 power 11 stars. Understood? This is your G problem. F problem is your homework. Okay. The distance of the sun from the center of the Milky Way galaxy is estimated to be, see this much big number is there. So what you should do? First you should convert that into a standard form, right? I'm going to write the standard form. 3.00 0 0 0. How many is it? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 3 point I have written every zeros into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so this is how I have written. So the next step what you should do, 3 into 10 power 7. Yes, 3 into 10 power 7. No, it's not 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Sorry, it is 3 into 10 power 20. Yes, you can check it in the question itself. 3 6 9 12 15 18 20. So 3 into 10 power 20 is the standard form for that question. So now shall we write the theory part? Yes. The distance of the sun from the center of the Milky Way galaxy galaxy is estimated to be, what is the estimation? 3 into 10 power 20 meter. Did you understand this? So just we are going to find the standard form and we are substituting in this theory part. Okay. The next problem, H problem is, see this much big number. Okay, 60230 and 00, many zeros are given. Molecules are contained in a drop of water weighing 1.8 gram meter. Okay, they are grams. Okay, not gram meter, it's grams. They are giving this much of molecules are present in that water, drop of water they are saying. Okay, so first what you should do, we have to convert this into a standard form, right? So 6.0230, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, so you can check it. 6.023. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 zeros should be there, children. So check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 zeros are there. Okay. Into you can write here 9, 12, 15, 18, 19. Okay, so I have written. Just next thing what you should write, 6.023 into, count the number of digits after the decimal point, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. About 10 power 22. Okay, 6.023 into 10 power 22. Okay, so after this decimal point, there are 22 digits are there. Okay, keep it in your mind. So now we have converted that into a standard form. So first, next what we should write? We should write the statement. Yes, 6.023 into 10 power 22 molecules are contained in a drop of water. Contained in a drop of water weighing, what is the weight of the drop of water? 1.8 gram. Okay, so just we are going to count, that's all. Okay, so just check it, how many number of digits are there after the decimal point, and we should write it. Okay, next I problem is your homework. Okay, children, this is your J problem. J problem is given, the population of India was about 1027,000,000 in March 2021. Yes, so we have to convert this into standard form, right? So how we will write 1.027,000,000 into, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 zeros should come. Okay, 1.02300 and all you will write it. Then into how many digits are there after decimal point? 9 zeros are there, so you will write 9 zeros. So now how you will write the standard form, children? 1.027 into 10 power 9. Why 10 power 9? Because after the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits are there. So 10 power 9 it is there. Now what we should do now? We should write the statement for this. Okay. The population of India was about 1.027 into 10 power 9 in March 2021. Here it is not any, because this is number of people, right? So we don't want to mention any meter or meter per seconds, nothing. You should maintain it. Okay, so there are two sums I have given you as a homework, children. Okay, Today's class we have discussed how to write the standard form when larger numbers are given. I have given 2 problems from that as homework. Actually, this is your last exercise of this chapter 13. So what you are doing is, you can recall from the first exercise and recall all the law of exponents, which is very much important. Then you will get a clear idea about this chapter 13. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.